Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni. Just because you carry it well doesn't mean it isn't heavy. You wake up early, beat traffic, stretch your budget until payday, and still manage to smile and say, okay lang. You juggle your work, family, bills, and that never ending group of chat asking for ambag. You look calm because you've learned how to carry problems the way you carry groceries from the sari-sari store. Lahat sa isang lakad kahit pumuputok na yung supot. People say, kaya mo yan, not knowing you're one brownout, one delayed sweldo, or one broken chinelas away from losing it. So yes, you carry it well, but that doesn't mean it isn't light. It just means you're used to carrying more than your fair share. Thank you for watching.